So you started to talk about how AI, particularly LLMs, are making software engineers smarter or lazier. What's your perspective? Is it both or is it one or the other?
Yeah, so let's take a step back and make LLM understood to the audience. So LLM is a neural network that is designed to understand, generate, and respond to human-like text. So these all GPTs, Llama, Gemini, they are all LLMs, and they've been called large language model because they have been trained on huge data sets and they have hundreds of billions of parameters to optimize the output. So that's the LLM. So if we think in non-technical terms, it's the LLM is not looking into the internet, or it's not looking into the databases like traditional systems. It's like using math and probability to come up with the next word, or next output that it want to achieve. But if we think in terms of technical, technical things, so it's more like, you give a prompt to the LLM, right? And what it does, it breaks that prompt into the words, which it is called tokens. And then these tokens are converted into embeddings, and those embeddings will go through the various layers of neural network to, enhance the output that we, actually want to see, like enhance output plus, build the context that we want to see in the final output. So that's what the LLM is. And right now I think everyone is using LLM in their day-to-day life, either just to read anything new, or even rephrasing certain sentences, or if we think in software engineering too, we are using AI tools daily. So if I am a lazy engineer, what I will be doing with LLM, with this AI tool, is I will be fully dependent on AI, for all the code that I wrote, that I write. I will not fully understand, what AI is generating for me. I will not learn new technologies or stay on top of the things that I used to do before the LLM era. But if I am a smarter engineer, what I will be doing, I will be knowing what precise prompt I need to give. I will be learning new technologies. Uh, I will be more like an orchestrator who would be guiding, instructing LLM what to do next, not the other way around. That LLM is telling me, shall I do this? Shall I do that? It won't be that way.